Okay, in this step, we're going to continue that Cook's tour of Quantum GIS that we started in step 3. But we're going to focus more on the GIS data query and data interpretation facet of it. Data query is such an important GIS functionality. And what we're going to talk about now is we're going to talk about different ways of selecting items on your map. So by that, I mean using your mouse. We're going to talk about different ways of selecting items in the table that lies behind your map. We're also going to talk about the links between the geographical and the tabular aspects of your GIS map. We're going to look at measuring distances and areas interactively and show you ways to find very general information about the map that's on your screen. Finally, I want to give you some tips for interpreting GIS maps and GIS air photos. A lot of people just look at maps and they accept them at face value, but if you look at them closely and you think about them a little bit, sometimes maps have clues to some of the issues that might be going on in an area. Okay, I will see you in the next video.